Hi, I'm Jeff Anderson, aka Jpaydirt on YouTube, and these are my Tool Crown toolboxes. I had mine custom painted cat yellow, and then I put the cat decals on it because I love Caterpillar equipment. This box right here has all my tools in it currently. One of the really cool features of this box is I can come over and just take a quick look, and I can see my 3/4 is gone, and my 9/16 and my 7/16. And I also noticed that I've got some missing sockets. Well, that's because I'm working on a project here. But when I go to clean up and I put all this back, I'll be able to tell whether or not I've got a missing tool. These boxes come with a pull-out drawer for your cordless tools to go in this drawer, and then I can put my charger in there. There's a hole in the back. You run the cord out so you can charge your tools. The one thing I like about these boxes are these divider trays that go in here. You can arrange these any way you want. I have mine set up for 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch bolts, along with 1, 2, 3, 4 different lengths, and also the nuts, lock washers, and flat washers in here. This is a bottom tool cube, and this one has a wooden top. You can get this wooden top. We're currently using it for a workbench to put some kingpins in the service truck. They come with this graphic so that you can see how to organize the tools in the box. I have taken my boxes and I've put cat decals on them, and on the back I've put some heavy equipment. They're beautiful boxes. People come into my shop, they see these boxes, and they want to know where they can get them. These are from Tool Crown. These are made in Canada, which is every bit as good as made in the USA. Canadians build good, excellent quality stuff, and these boxes, pound for pound, are every bit as good and better than some of the top line boxes that you can buy for way less money. These boxes are very reasonable, so check them out.